Hey everyone, the Mitu Kids Watch 7a, a more affordable version of their well-liked kids smartwatch range, has been unveiled by Xiaomi. With its long-lasting battery, better video conversations, and a plethora of safety measures, the 7a is a compelling option for parents who value their kids' connectivity and safety above all else. Using AI-enhanced location tracking for accurate interior positioning, the Mitu Kids Watch 7a is developed with a robust 9-layer security positioning mechanism. With this system, kids are constantly within reach at more than 4,000 major train stations and commercial malls. When their kids enter or leave developed areas, like home or school, or if their travel plans unexpectedly alter, parents are notified. The watch also records location data for a maximum of 90 days, giving parents the ability to analyze previous whereabouts for added peace of mind. The Mitu Kids Watch 7a has a 2 megapixels front-facing camera with a wider angle, allowing for smoother and more clear video conversations. With the help of this function, parents and kids may communicate visually and have a better grasp of the child's environment. Reliable connectivity is guaranteed by the watch's compatibility with China Mobile, China Unicom and China Telecom, as well as the support for 4G LTE. The watch has a built-in 256 megabytes of storage, a 48 megabytes RAM, and a 1.4-inch TFT display. Its 950 mAh battery is supported by low-power chips and an enhanced power-saving algorithm 2.0, all of which work together to prolong battery life and reduce the frequency of charging. The Mitu Kids Watch 7a comes in 3 eye-catching hues: pink, green, and blue. Its innovative tough appearance increases its longevity. Additionally, it is 20 meters waterproof, so kids may wear it worry-free during playtime or while doing their hand washing. Beyond security, the watch provides access to professional sports courses, with guided instructions to encourage healthy activity, such as long jump, running, and skipping rope. Along with supporting micro-chatting and Alipay for small purchases, all under parental control, it combines with Xiao AI Peers, a virtual assistant for kids. Xiaomi's Mitu Kids Watch 7a puts data security first. To protect their children's privacy, parents can control third-party app permissions, and the data is encrypted numerous times. The watch's dependability and safety are ensured by extensive testing and certifications. The Mitu Kids Watch 7a, the new wristwatch from Xiaomi for kids, will be up for pre-order in China on July 1st. This affordable smartwatch, which costs 349 yuan or about $48, has an amazing number of functions that are meant to keep kids safe and connected. The Xiaomi Mitu Kids Watch 7a is reasonably priced and has a full feature set developed to protect kids' safety and connectivity. Its improved location tracking, sturdy construction, lengthy battery life, and other features make it an appealing choice for parents looking for a safe and dependable wristwatch for their children. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.